can compress it or maximize it by using this lock. For this we use Allen key. What you need to open first? Okay, what must be open first? We use this analyzer. Then go to the tools. This Allen key is used to lose this compressor. Okay. Using this compressor we can feed the piston, entire piston. And by observing the camshaft we can determine that this is, suppose this is the position of camshaft in your engine, then this clearly shows that your first piston will be in upper position, the second piston will be in bottom position, and this is in middle position. This shows that it's in middle position. Okay. This is O-ring, which is over here like this way, supports the crankshaft. So this is intake manifold, this is exhaust manifold, this is your head. These are called the bearings, which are fitted over the crankshaft. This hard material made by steel is known as gasket, which is over here. Okay. These are this engine supporter. When we have to remove the engine from the car, then we use this, we keep this and we remove the engine from the car. So due to ECU we don't need time chain. The function of timing is done by the distributor. Where is distributor? This is the